Hello, this is Dilantha from Beat Billions, and we are looking at Genius Brands today. So this is one of the hot stocks in the market, and investors expect today to be a very big day for the company and for the market performance of the company as well, because of the launch of the Cartoon Channel in the United States. Anyways, we are going to give you two reasons as to why you should avoid this company altogether. And if you are invested in this company's stock, today might be your last opportunity, last day to book whatever the profits that you're sitting in, or to realize whatever the losses that you're sitting on before it gets worse. So the first reason is Genius Brands has been issuing new stock at a record pace. So the launch of the Cartoon Channel was first announced on 6th of May, and since then the company has been diluting existing shareholders at a record pace. Now walk with me and just look at these numbers. On the 7th of May, Genius Brands announced a new stock offering of 8 million shares at a price of just 35 cents a share. And then on the 11th of May, the company announced another 12 issuance of another 12 million shares at a price of just 45 cents a share. And then on the 19th of May, the company announced the issuance of 7.5 million shares and at a price of just $1.20 a share. And then, as recently as the 29th of May, the company announced offering of another 20 million shares at a price of just $150 a share. So that goes on to show that the company has issued new shares at a significantly lower price than the current market price of around for $20 a share, for $16 a share, and that actually goes on to highlight that the company does not think that the stock has a value of above $150 a share. So that's a very big warning sign for you. And the second thing is, yes, it's true. Most of our viewers should be wondering why we are not that bullish on Cartoon Network. So, if you really look at the empirical evidence, you can see that this is not the first time that Genius Brands came up with some kind of a new product, a new partnership that could eventually lead to millions of dollars in revenue. Now, if you look at it, now what you are looking at is 2016 2016 shareholder letter, 2016 shareholder letter that was issued in August 2016. And this was when the company signed a partnership with Amazon Prime to distribute its content. And read with me, despite the continuing investment in Genius's 7 core kids brands and catalog, I anticipate us to be cash flow positive on an operational basis for 2016. In addition to the above, I would like to share some specific data points regarding the growth of the company. But what do you think happened? Now you're looking at the cash flow statement of the company, and in fact, the company made negative operating cash flows totaling $3.7 million in 2016, despite the promises made by the company CEO. And it did not get any better in the coming years as well. As you can see, the company continued to lose money from its business operations. So there are flaws in the business, and more importantly, we note that Genius Brands' company executives have a history of promising to make it big but failing to deliver the numbers. And this is just one example. If you want to find more examples, we have included several links in the description to this video, and you can go and check for yourself. So to sum it up, we believe Genius Brands stock might surge today, and that would be the only opportunity that you might have in a while to get out of this stock and to book your profits and to never look back. So we hope you enjoyed the video. So stay tuned and make sure to subscribe us to stay updated about what is happening in US markets.